Hey, quick update on spring/summer clean out of the goat barns. The Outlaw is doing fantastic. Here, James is on it. He's got this thing in the dairy barn and we are cleaning out the long runway with it and it's working absolutely fantastic. I love the grapple on this thing. He's able to get in. He's just kind of learning on it, so, he's got some hesitation, but he's able to just get in there, grab the manure, grab that hay, that straw, pick it up, take it out, and get it dumped. This thing makes quick work out of this. We started this barn about, 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, and we were done by 11:30. It's all thanks to having a little mini skid loader like this. It's compact, it's easy, it's fast. I don't even think they make the Outlaw anymore. Toro still makes the Dingo, which is now the same thing, basically. It's a fantastic little machine. It gets in and out of areas quite effectively, and you're able to take a lot of material and move it in such a small space. Really helps. We can go in and out of horse stalls with this. We can go in and out of the goat stalls with this. We can go down the dairy run with this. You can put a blade on it, a bucket on it. You can put a grapple on it. You can put a bale spear on it. We can move bales around with this. Round bales I'm even talking about. It's a fantastic little device to get to use. That is for sure. If you have the opportunity to get a machine that can help you in a barn and you can fit a skid steer full size, I don't know why you wouldn't go with that first. But if you can't, because you're like me and you have an older design barn, then you go in with a grapple like this and a little mini skid and you attack the manure, and it's fantastic. We only do this about every 3 or 4 months and it works out great. We let the bedding get to anywhere between 2 and 4 inches deep, and then we just get rid of it. And it works out really well in this particular barn for the dairy goats. The material gets moved out quite effectively and easily with this grapple, and we can get the floor cleaned, and then if we want, we can put down like barn lime or stall dry, whatever your favorite product is, to keep the smell down. Thanks for watching, folks. Giving you an update. The Outlaw here, mini skid with the grapple, is working awesome.